Hello everyone, the countdown is over and another year is around the corner. Let us welcome 2025 with joy and positivity. Here are some heartfelt wishes that you can enjoy to kickstart your new year on a high note. Happy New Year तो आप हमेशा ही कहते होंगे, उसकी जगह आप बोलिए cheers to fresh start and endless positivities. Happy New Year. Or you can say may 2025 be the year of your happiness and success. या फिर आप कह सकते हैं न्यू ईयर न्यू ड्रीम्स न्यू अचीवमेंट्स विशिंग यू ऑल द बेस्ट. Cheers to 365 new chances to sparkle. Happy New Year! Before we dive in, let me know what is your biggest hope for 2025. Drop a comment. I would love to see what you come up with. Start the new year with hope and let it lead you to greatness. Happy New Year! Now the last but not the least, even this is the best in my opinion. Thanks for being the part of my life. Let us make even more memories in this coming year. Happy New Year! And this is for you, my wonderful audience. Let us make more memories of learning English. So please like, share and subscribe my channel and share all these wishes to someone who really need a little inspiration for the coming year. Stay positive, stay unstoppable and let us make this coming year the best one yet. Thank you. Bye bye.